Have you ever heard a musician use diminished chords as passing chords and you're trying to figure out how they're doing it? Like, what's the concept? I'm going to give you a concept right now to show you how to play some diminished chords as passing chords, all right? So we're in the key of C sharp. So. C sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So if I'm on the 7, 3, 6, so on 7, first I like to play an E flat major ninth or 7th if you can't stretch that far. I'll play that on 7, right? Okay. Then on 3, I'll play an E flat diminished 7th. And then on 6, I'll play a B flat minor add 9. And then what I'll do is I'll double it up. Okay. So let me show you another one. Or all right, so what did I do this time? This time I went on 7, I play a C sharp diminished 7th chord. Okay. And then I basically did the same thing I did last time. On 3, I played the E flat diminished 7th chord. And then on 6, I did a B flat minor add 9. All right. So all I did here was I played the C sharp diminished 7th, and then I basically doubled it up, and I just broke it up. I doubled it, and then I broke it. Okay, and then I did the same thing with the E flat diminished 7th chord on 3. Okay, and then I landed on the B flat minor add 9 chord. And you can play with it, play around with it and see what works for you. Because what I did here, I kind of cut it off before I went all the way. So I went here. So C sharp diminished 7th, and then I played just the first 2 notes on the right hand, and then I will go to the next one. It will just depend on the tempo. It will just depend on the tempo. So just play around with it and see how you want it. Just play around with it and see how you want to make it fit your plan. Listen, if you want my system, you want to learn how to play from me, I have coaching. So you can click my coaching link. We can hop on the phone. We can talk. We can figure out what it is that you actually need. Or if you want my system on a basic level, you can also click a link. It says Gospel Piano Made Simple. It's a $1 7-day trial. After that, it's only $10 a month. All right. I will see you next week.